Pete Nowaskey with Nowaskey Extreme Performance, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Start the timer now. All right, guys, what I have in front of me here is our new Koso Gauge Kit for early Harley-Davidson Road Glides. Now, we are working with Koso North America. We have one of their new digital gauge clusters here. This is an awesome gauge cluster. It's very vibrant. You can clearly see everything on the screen. It's very compact, yet you can definitely tell what you're trying to see. It has turn signals, oil pressure, speedometer, tachometer, security. Everything that you want is on this small, compact, lightweight gauge cluster. So I'm not gonna take it all out of the box here, but basically it'll come with everything you need. We've also developed this mounting piece that allows you to put this gauge where your factory radio would have been. So now you'll have to run some sort of a Bluetooth stereo or something like that, but this is kind of for you performance guys that want to strip things down. The kit comes with gauge eliminators to eliminate the two gauges on either side of your fairing. So everything is all encompassed in this one Koso gauge with our Nowaskey kit. Now these are available initially for 02 to 07 model road glides. We are going to expand the range that these can be used for. Right now we are working with NAMs to develop plug and play harnesses so you can get this at home and literally plug it in without having to figure out how to wire it all up. We're trying to do all the thinking for you. So you can put this in just like it is, or you can paint it or put like a decal kit over it or whatever you need to spruce it up. But this is a lightweight, simple gauge consolidation option for you early model road glide guys. So check it out at nowaskey.com today.